Blue Alliance took the win the first round, and so Red Alliance needs a win to stay alive. First up for the Red Alliance, Team 653.
It's no side.
And their team captains, Team 3735.
Vortex.
And rounding off the Red Alliance, Team 624.
It's Team Kryptonite.
Coming over to the Blue Alliance side of the field, Alliance number 8. First up, we have Team 3481.
It's the Brunkbutts.
And we have the captains in the second driver station, Team 2583.
Warrior Robotics.
And rounding out the number 8 seeded alliance, Team 6800.
That's Team Valor.
All right, we got a thumbs up. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
Blue Alliance won the last match. Red Alliance is trying to tie it up. 2 robots up to the airship trying to score. Looks like 3735 has a gear for the Red Alliance, and the Blue Alliance smashes it thanks to 2583. As we move into teleop period, we'll see who's scoring next. Oh, excuse me. 6800 had that gear in teleop. 3481 and 2583 now looking to score their gears for the Blue Alliance, as 624 does so for the Red Alliance. Lots of defense going on behind the red airship between 37 and 35 and one of the Blue Alliance robots. Some crashes in the middle of the field. This is a very tense match between these two alliances. An upset between the number 1 and number 8 alliance would be very big. 624 now scoring a gear for that Red Alliance, trying to keep them from being an upset, but the Blue Alliance already has 2 rotors spinning. The Red Alliance now 37-35 scoring another gear, and 25-83 is doing their best to score a gear for the Blue Alliance. On the far side, 6800 is scoring a gear, and they've got one up to their pilot as well. This match is close with both alliances having 2 rotors spinning, and Blue Alliance working on their third as Red Alliance is doing the same. 37-35 now up for the Red Alliance, working to line up and score their gear, as 624 is doing the same in the middle slot. Lots of concentration from these drivers. No fuel on the field, as they're all trying their best just to get over to the scoring zones. Some defense in the middle of the field between the Red and Blue Alliance. 25-83 stopping 653 from going anywhere, and 34-81 trying to stay on top of Kryptonite, doing their best to keep them from scoring at all either. Both alliances are trying to see if they can get that third rotor spinning. Looks like a Red Alliance does have enough gears to get that rotor spinning. Blue Alliance is trying to match now. Their best to do with 38 seconds left in this match. 34-81 lining up in the gear slot, trying to get a gear from the human player station. It looks like there's a couple gears in their way that they can't pick up. 6800 now trying to get back over to the Blue Alliance airship, but lots of red defense in the way. 20 seconds left with these robots ready to climb. 64 and 34-81 battling it out as the middle of the field, but now they start to go up. 25-83 is up for the Blue Alliance. 37-35 is up for the Red Alliance. They're trying to get and match. 3 up for the Red Alliance, as Blue Alliance is still struggling to get 2 more robots up into the air as time winds down. Here's the score for that quarterfinal match. Let's see if the Red Alliance, they have done it. They have tied up the score of matches 1-1 with a score of 300 to 215. There'll be another match played between these two alliances in just a